Ever wondered how to make money on Etsy? Well, you're not alone. Etsy is a global online marketplace that has transformed the lives of many crafters around the world. It's a platform where creativity thrives, where crafters and buyers meet, and where dreams are turned into reality. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a place brimming with over 80 million active buyers, all searching for unique, handmade, and vintage items. That's Etsy for you. It's a bustling marketplace that sees over $2 billion in sales each year. And the best part? A good chunk of that could be yours. There are countless success stories from crafters who started as hobbyists only to turn their passion into a profitable business. So if you've got a knack for crafting and a desire to make money, Etsy might just be your golden ticket. Stay tuned to learn how to turn your crafting hobby into a profitable venture on Etsy. First things first, you need to set up your Etsy shop. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Etsy shop. It's not rocket science, folks, but it does need your attention and a bit of imagination. First off, you've got to pick a catchy shop name. This is the name your customers will see, remember, and hopefully share with their friends. It should be unique, memorable, and reflect the essence of what you're selling. Think of it as your shop's first impression. So take your time, brainstorm, and once you've got that perfect name, grab it before someone else does. Next up, you've got to set up your shop's policies. This might sound a bit daunting, but it's essentially about being clear and transparent with your customers. You need to define your shipping, return, and exchange policies. You want your customers to know exactly what they're getting into when they purchase from your shop. Remember, folks, clear policies are a sign of a trustworthy shop. Now onto the shop description. This is where you let your personality shine through. Tell your customers a bit about yourself, your craft, and your passion. This is your chance to connect with your customers on a personal level. Make it engaging, make it interesting, but most importantly, make it authentic. Also, don't forget to include essential information like where you're based, what materials you use, and how you create your products. These details matter. They make you stand out and they show your customers that you're not just another shop, but a genuine artisan. That's the basics of setting up your Etsy shop. It might seem like a lot at first, but take it one step at a time, and you'll have your shop up and running in no time. Setting up your shop is just the first step on your Etsy journey. Now that your shop is set up, it's time to list your products. The first step to a successful listing is taking good photos of your products. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Etsy, it could be worth 1,000 sales. You don't need a fancy camera. Your smartphone will do just fine. Just make sure you use natural light, capture multiple angles, and highlight any special features. Next, you'll need to write a detailed description. This is your chance to tell a story about your product. What is it? How's it made? What makes it unique? Don't be shy to share your passion and creativity here, but also remember to include practical details like size, color options, and care instructions. Now let's talk about tags and categories. These are crucial for helping potential customers find your products. Think about what terms people might use to search for your item. Is it a hand-knitted scarf? Then use tags like knitted, scarf, and handmade. And don't forget to select the most relevant category for your product. Setting a competitive price is the final step in listing your product. You want to make a profit, sure, but you also want to attract buyers. Do some market research. See what similar items are selling for and price your product competitively. But don't undersell yourself. Consider the cost of materials, the time you spent creating the product, and factor in a reasonable profit margin. Listing your products on Etsy is a blend of art and science. It's about showcasing your product in the best light, telling its story, making it easy to find, and pricing it right. But above all, it's about sharing your passion and creativity with the world. Remember, the more appealing your listing is, the more likely it is to sell. So take your time, put in the effort, and create a listing that you're proud of. Your success on Etsy starts with a great product listing. Your shop is set up, your products are listed, now it's time to get the word out. Now your shop needs a little something extra to help it stand out in the crowd. And that, my friends, is marketing. Let's dive into the myriad of ways you can promote your Etsy shop and draw in those eager customers. Social media promotion is a fantastic way to market your shop. You can use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your products and connect with potential customers. Post regularly, use relevant hashtags, and engage with your followers to build a community around your brand. Remember, people love to buy from brands they feel connected to, so make your social media channels a place where customers feel seen and valued. Next up, SEO optimization. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's all about making your shop and products more visible on search engines like Google. You can optimize your shop by using relevant keywords in your product descriptions and shop information. This helps your shop show up when customers are searching for products like yours. It's like a road sign pointing customers straight to your shop. Finally, don't underestimate the power of customer reviews. Positive reviews can significantly boost your shop's reputation and attract more customers. Encourage your customers to leave reviews by providing excellent customer service. And don't forget to respond to reviews, both positive and negative. This shows potential customers that you value their feedback and are committed to improving your products and services. Remember to stay active and engage with your customers. Answer their questions, listen to their feedback, and make them feel valued. This not only helps to build a strong relationship with your customers, but also improves your shop's visibility. So go forth and market your Etsy shop like a pro. Use social media, optimize your shop for search engines, and encourage customer reviews. With these strategies, you're well on your way to driving traffic to your shop and making sales. Marketing is the key to driving traffic to your shop and making sales. Running a successful Etsy shop involves more than just listing products and marketing. It's a whole lot like tending a garden. You've got to nurture it, care for it, and handle all the bugs that might come creeping in. Now, let's talk about customer service. This is the backbone of any successful business. You've got to be professional, responsive, and always strive to exceed expectations. Whether it's answering queries promptly or going the extra mile to make sure your customers are happy, every interaction matters. Remember, a happy customer is more likely to come back, and they might even bring some friends along. Handling orders and shipping, that's another critical aspect. Efficient order processing and timely shipping can set you apart from the crowd. Make sure you're clear about shipping times and costs, and always keep your customers updated. And if a package goes astray, well, that's when you roll up your sleeves and do everything you can to resolve the issue. It's all part of the job. Managing your shop's finances, that's the bread and butter of your business. Keep a close eye on your expenses and income. Track your sales, know where your money is going, and always be on the lookout for ways to increase profitability. Budgeting and financial planning might not be the most exciting part of running an Etsy shop, but it's absolutely vital. And, of course, dealing with issues or disputes. No one likes to talk about this, but it's a reality of doing business. When disputes arise, stay calm, be professional, and work towards a resolution. It's not just about resolving the issue at hand, it's about preserving your shop's reputation. Running an Etsy shop is a juggling act, but with the right approach and a dash of patience, you can keep all those balls in the air. Remember, it's not just about making sales. It's about building a business that's sustainable, profitable, and rewarding. Managing your shop effectively is crucial to maintaining your reputation and ensuring your customers are satisfied. So, keep these tips in mind as you navigate the exciting world of Etsy entrepreneurship. So, that's how you can make money on Etsy. We've traversed the journey together, from setting up your Etsy shop to listing your products, marketing your shop, and managing it successfully. The journey might seem long, but every step is crucial in turning your craft passion into a profitable venture. Remember, Etsy is more than just a marketplace. It's a community of crafters, artists, and buyers who appreciate handmade and vintage items. With the right approach, dedication, and a sprinkle of hard work, your Etsy shop can become a significant source of income. The potential of making money on Etsy is vast. It's all about presenting your unique products to the right audience and maintaining a customer-friendly shop. It's a journey worth embarking on, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Masters, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Until next time, happy crafting and selling.